Yeah.
Aló.
Hey, how you doing?
Okay.
Bueno, sí, aló.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me?
Please mute your devices. Good morning. The
Good
Honorable
morning.
Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding.
No, es que no,
While
no
Zoom is,
sé quién.
excuse me, there's no need to say anything. Please mute your devices.
Por favor, mantengan sus micrófonos en silencio. Ahorita no tienen que decir nada.
Ah, disculpe, lo que pasa es que no sé cómo
Por
hacer.
favor, mantengan su teléfono en silencio.
The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session.
Buenos días. Bienvenidos a la corte con el honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. En esta corte no se permite estar comiendo, ni estar bebiendo, ni estar acostado. Tienen que estar debidamente derechos y vestidos como corresponde para comparecer ante una corte. Por favor, asegúrese de que su micrófono está en silencio hasta que su caso sea llamado. No pueden tener ningún tipo de cobertura en la cabeza, a menos que sea por motivos religiosos. Buenos días a todos, bienvenidos a la corte con el honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. ¿Quién preside?
Okay, good morning to everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. I'm going to start with the reviews.
Buenos días a todos. Yo voy a tratar de hacer esto de la forma más eficiente y rápida posible. Voy a llamarlo según como ustedes se registraron esta mañana, en ese orden, y voy a comenzar por las revisiones.
Are we ready, Ms.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. My name is Emma Hernandez, is CAO qualified Spanish interpreter number 15575.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
Swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter C3822.
And can you right hand, please? Do
Yes.
you solemnly affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Eva Loomis. Case number SP 187-01912. Ms. Loomis, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Buenos días. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Eva Lemus, número de caso SP 187-01912. Señora Lemus, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Hola, buenos días. Mi nombre es Eva del Carmen Lemus.
Hello, good morning. My name is Eva del Carmen Lemus.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time it's set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Buenos días, señora. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la revisión de su caso. Usted se le ve ordenado hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario y veo que aquí los ha hecho. Por lo tanto, con esto queda su caso ya desestimado. Que tenga muy buen día. Ya se puede retirar.
Muchas gracias. Feliz día.
Thank you very much. Have a happy day.
You do.
Usted también, señora.
This is the city of Detroit versus Dover, Alexander Vieira Top Borda. Case number SP 187-16681. Excuse me if I mispronounced the name.
Es el llamado, el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Duver Alexander. Número de caso SP187-16681. Y disculpe si no pronuncié su nombre correctamente.
Sí.
Your Honor, I don't see him on the list, but I remember when he said he was Duver Alexander.
Top of the list at the top of the list. It's the first name on the list.
And my list doesn't have it. My first, oh, I do see it, Your Honor. Thank you so much. El caso de Duver Gaviria Taborda Alexander. Thank you, Your Honor.
Gaviria. All right.
Taborda.
Can you record, please, sir? State your name for the record, please, sir.
Señor, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Duver Alexander Gaviria Taborda.
Duver Alexander Gaviria Taborda.
And good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you were allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck, sir, and have a very good rest of your day.
Buenos días, señor. Este es el día y es la hora que habíamos programado para tener una revisión de su caso. Veo aquí que yo le había pedido que hiciera 6 horas de servicio comunitario en vez de tener que pagar costos y multas. También veo aquí que usted las cumplió. Reconociendo eso, le queremos dar las gracias a usted y vamos a cerrar a su caso. Si no tiene usted algo adicional, le deseamos muy buen día, buena suerte y ya se puede retirar.
Ok, buen día, gracias.
Okay, have a good day and thank you.
You as well.
Usted también.
City of Detroit versus Michael Dante Lee, case number SP 1002992 and SP 107-62643. Mr. Lee, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Michael Lee.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for review. In lieu of fines and costs, I see you completed 12 of the 200 hours. We're working pretty slow on that. But what it did do was I'll give you credit for the 2 no insurance proofs so that you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid license. We thank you for the 12 hours. I'll close those matters out. Let's come back next month and see. We gotta get it going and see where you're at and how you progress. Come back on June the 10th, 2026. We'll close this out, set an appointment with the Secretary of State. If they don't give you a license, then ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come back June the 10th, okay? June the 10th at 8:25. What about, is that your son, Dante Lee Jr.?
Yes, sir.
Where is he?
He's right here.
Okay, very well. Stay on and he'll be in line too.
Okay.
Okay. What do you mean by that?
He's about to take care of your tickets.
Let's do it like this. Mr. Barry, this is gonna be The City of Detroit versus Michael Dante Lee Jr., case number SP 1476414, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for, please, you can run his license, please, Ms. Moore.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Michael Deontay Lee Jr. How y'all
Coming to
doing
you.
today?
Very well. How are you? Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, you join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Yes, sir.
On the phone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name?
Autumn Sire.
Autumn. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Buenos días, señora. Por favor, diga su nombre.
No, she doesn't need an interpreter.
Okay, good.
Thank you, though.
Okay.
All right, one more iPhone. Find out who this is and we'll get back to it. On the iPhone, good morning to you. I'm asking you to unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please.
Good morning. It's Mike Hiller Gangs.
Mike Killer Gaines. Okay, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, Judge.
All right. Ms. Harris, this is going to be the City of Detroit versus Nicholas Glenn Bryant, case number SP 1887979, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Bryant. Please state your name for the record.
Nicholas Glenn Bryant.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Bryant, good morning to you. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You join the room, you let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Masario, good morning to you. Sorry, good morning to you. What is your client's name, please?
Good morning, Judge. I have Richard Galvin.
All right, he's in the hall, right?
He is.
Did you see him? Mr. Masario, do you see him in the hallway?
Sorry, Judge, I got pulled into a breakout room.
Yeah, do you see your client in the hallway there?
Yes, I already spoke to him and his mom. I was just going to ask for the prosecutor. She told me to hop on Zoom.
Okay.
He needs an interpreter?
No.
He'll need one, yes.
He doesn't need an interpreter, right?
I believe he does. He's been deemed incompetent by the Forensic Center. I think he understands Spanish a little bit more than English.
Oh, very well.
Oh, okay. We can try.
And he was on the telephone?
I believe he is with his mom. Yeah.
What number was that?
I wouldn't be able to tell you their number, Judge. And I can always just use my phone to communicate with them in the way.
808-3698.
That is the number I have on the appointment sheet from months ago.
Very well. All right, you can go to 4.
And then which room is Miss Hornan? Okay, perfect.
She's not here. Let's get Miss Hornan here, please.
Got it.
No, that's a.
Officer Green, good morning to you. I don't believe we have any officer related cases today.
Good morning, Your Honor. 1 second, I got his last name. Oh, you know what? It's a different courtroom. I got you tomorrow. Sorry about that.
All right, be safe.
All right.
All right, we're just gonna wait on an attorney now.
That's what you gotta see.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing for the driving while license never having been acquired, the insurance matter to be dismissed.
Do some community service with his dad?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because it's so close, and I'm trying to make sure I stay on top of everything because it's a little hard. But if I can do it where he at, I'm gonna make sure because I only got 6 hours, so 12 to 6, 20, I don't care. I just know I just want to be able to have a ride there.
You got 12 hours.
Okay, that's cool.
All right. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Now, let me carry your attention way back to July the 14th, 2023, at around 12:44 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile and Algonac. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Because I was I didn't have one. At the time I just didn't have one.
Why don't you get a license, sir?
I'm trying so bad, sir. It's like it's just how life been. Like I was an athlete at the time, and I had to make sure like we lived on the other side of the city, and I was going to Osborne, so I had just a little hoopty trying to get back and forth. Then my Dukes ended up passing. I ended up breaking my arm. This all in that year, so it was just a little hard. Then once I got that into that encounter, it really just slowed me down, and I just stopped trying to drive because I was out of school and everything. I was just sitting down, healing, coping with the pain with the Duke. So right now I'm 21, young, and I'm just trying to get a license, get a job, and start right.
All right, well, I'm sorry to hear about your mom passing. Sounds like though you were pretty well taken care of as an athlete, huh?
Yeah, man.
They spoiled you, didn't they?
Look, like I was the star player for real. I'm not gonna lie. I had 2 jerseys. I had 1 and 2. I used to switch out every game for real.
All right, so now take some of those lessons you learned out there on the basketball court and playing in the sports and apply them to the rest of your life. That's one thing that I'm sure you got a high level of training, and you got to rely on that training. Those lessons that you learn as an athlete, they apply to anything else you do in life.
Yes,
And
sir.
if you put that type of attention to it, like you did that sport, this license is easy to get. I don't see anything really here preventing you from getting that.
And it make it seem like it's so hard. I swear.
No, that's not hard at all.
I'm just blessed. I woke up this morning and y'all asked about me.
Listen, matter of fact, here's the deal. And I'll let you back out the plea if you want to. But part of the sentence is between now and the going to the second now and the day you do this community service, you have to go to the Secretary of State and apply for a driver's license, okay?
Yes, sir.
I want proof of that when you come back, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So that's proof. Now, since I've added, here's how the law works. Since I've added a requirement to this sentence of yours, 12 hours plus going to the Secretary of State, then that you can say, Judge, I want to back out the sentence because when you first gave me this, I didn't agree with it.
Oh,
but I'm adding that you register to vote if you're not already registered. That's going to be 2 other conditions. Proof of Secretary of State attempt to get a driver's license and proof that you are registered to vote, okay?
Okay.
Now, do you want to still do the deal?
Yes, sir.
All right, 12 hours of community service, proof of registering to vote, and proof of going to the secretary. And I'm not saying you have to bring a driver's license back, which I think you can, but I am going to say that I want to make sure that you've attempted to go get a driver's license, okay?
Yeah, yes, sir. Like I'm gonna be honest, I never attempted because I just heard with these tickets I could never get it. That's why it just been so hard for me.
No, a driver's license.
I can go up there, Papa.
I also encourage you to make a relationship with a good attorney.
Okay.
Because your everyday part of your life deals with the law. Whatever you do, it deals with the law. You know, in sports, in driving, in going to work, in anything. Make that relationship now so you don't guess on what you can do and what you can't. You have that relationship with somebody. You can call them up. What do you think about this? Should I go about that? All right.
Yeah, yes, sir. You ain't saying none that you're not supposed to tell me, sir. I'm just trying to get it all a little young, but one thing I can say about me though, I haven't been to jail, I haven't been locked up, haven't caught no serious crime charges, so it's not like I'm just out here not trying. But this license, my whole family been encouraging me to get it. It just been hard without the money. But once this all happened though, it was just God blessing. Like I'm a man of God, so this just a blessing for me.
All right, well, listen, it's not as hard as you think it is. I think what you're doing is you've made it harder for yourself in your mind, because we can do anything. If you can become the star player of your basketball team, sir, the point that you need 2 jerseys in the game, then you can do anything you put your mind to, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. You and your dad. Now, your dad can't use none of your community service hours for his. He got to do all his on his own, but you'll be done way quicker than he will.
Yes, sir.
All
He right here.
I know that. Thank you so
All
much,
right,
man.
both Mr. Lees, I really appreciate y'all. Talk to Mr. Phillips. Oh, let me get a good phone number from you. Good phone number from you, Mr. Lee. Junior.
200-7435.
All right. If there's nothing further, June the 10th, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day. Contact Mr. Phillips this afternoon. Your dad has the number 313-879-2155. Set the hours up. You complete the hours. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor case, and hopefully you'll have a voter registration that you registered to vote, and hopefully you'll have a driver's license, or at least you've gone to look into that. All right.
Yes, sir. You was at. Thank you, Judge.
Have a great day.
You too.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much, Judge.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Santiago Castadina Cordano. Case number SP 1885994, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Santiago Castañeda Cardona. Número de caso SP 188-59941, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Mi nombre es Edward Berry Jr. y estoy representando al señor Cardona. Por favor, señor Cardona, abra su micrófono y diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
State your name, sir.
Señor, diga su nombre, por favor. Tiene que abrir su micrófono. I think he's looking for somebody to open the mic.
I'll press the button.
Ok. Su señoría va a abrirle el micrófono para usted, para poderlo oír. Can you do it?
He didn't open his mic. He needs to open his mic.
Yes, please.
All right, Mr. Cardano, you had to open your mic, please, and state your name. He did it.
Señor Cardona, ya que abrió su micrófono, por favor, diga su nombre completo.
Sí, mi nombre es Santiago Castañeda Cardona.
My name is Santiago Castañeda Cardona.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time, and it is set for a arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, counselor?
We would waive the reading of the information, Your Honor, and stand mute.
Buenos días, señor Cardona. Hoy es el día y la hora agendado para su lectura de cargos. Abogado, ¿qué desea hacer al respecto? Buenos días, señoría. Con respecto a la lectura de cargos, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Cardona, I'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor Cardona, voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogado, quien le va a ofrecer un acuerdo de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con ese acuerdo, tiene todo el derecho a ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación cuando aparezca en su pantalla. Ponga join, apriete el botoncito azul que dice join.
Join,
Join, apriételo.
donde dice unirse.
Unirse,
Unirse.
unirse. Apriételo. Una vez. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Nicholas Bryant. Mr. Bryant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
My client is going to admit responsibility to the the passenger helmet violation. We are asking the court to confirm for us that that is a 0.9 abstracting offense, and he is willing to do community service.
Well, you want to put it on the court, Miss Harris.
Oh, I looked it up. I believe it's 0 points, and I'm asking the court just to double check my work in a manner of speaking.
Yeah. You want to take this deal, sir, if it's a non-abstractable offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take it if it is an abstractable offense?
And
Do you know what?
That'd be putting points on my driver's record, right?
Not necessarily, because sometimes are abstractable, but they don't carry any points, but it will. Helmet law violation 3400.
0 points and doesn't abstract. I think I got that right.
Okay. I'm sure you did, Ms. Ayers.
Thank you.
All right. Let's make sure that this ticket, how it's written, 257 658 257 658. It's cut off at the top, but it is a non-abstractable offense. It won't carry any points, and in lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
Okay, with those stipulations, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of, as charged to the failure to wear a crash helmet, and it'll be 6 hours of community service in lieu of fines and costs. I'll give you till June the 10th to complete it. Give Mr. Phillips a call. Set the hours up this afternoon. Come back on June 10th. If you're on the list, you don't have to come back necessarily, but make sure, Mr. Phillips, you can confirm with him on that. And if you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you too, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. This is Stephanie. There's no Stephanie. Okay, so let's move on to City of Detroit versus Wendy Mina. Case number SP 1886022, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Wendy, ¿necesita usted intérprete? Do you need an interpreter? Wendy?
I believe she does, but I believe she fell off.
What was the name?
Wendy Mina.
Mm-hmm. Is she represented by counsel?
She is. All right, very good. All right, let's pass that matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Juana Segura, case number SP 188-3151, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Juana Segura. Números de caso SP 188315, 1, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
Mi nombre es Juana Segura.
My name is Juana Segura.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Segura.
Y Cherry Harris representando a la señora Segura.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Buenos días, usted, señora. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la lectura de cargos.
Ok.
¿Y qué nos dice usted, abogada?
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Segura, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señora, vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted y darle una fianza de $0. La vamos a pasar ahora virtualmente a una sala privada de consulta para que tenga la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada, quien le va a conseguir usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, usted tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora donde dice join o unirse. Toque donde dice join o unirse.
Let's pass the matter. Are you ready on your client, Counselor?
If it's me, Your Honor, yes, I am.
All right. We'll wait on an interpreter.
Excellent, thank you.
And what's the deal gonna be?
Yeah, I just spoke with Ms. Horn. She said, and I don't do this on a daily basis, she said to tell you 1 to 5 limited access and dismiss the license charge.
All right, it's gonna be 6 hours of community service in lieu of fines and costs with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Southwest Detroit, and what was it?
Community Justice Center. I'll give you the phone number, 879, it's 313-879-2155.
Okay. And I've spoken with my client. I mean, she's in agreement with what Ms. Horn told us.
Now, did you ask Ms. Horn, was that the pretrial diversion offer?
As far as I know, that's correct, Your Honor, but I apologize.
I'll go back and confirm that that was the pretrial diversion offer, Counselor?
I will do that. Pretrial diversion officer, offer.
Rejoin the room and just ask her, was that the pretrial diversion offer?
I am happy to do that. Thank you.
I want to do, Mr. Berry.
My client will accept the offer to limited access 1 to 5 miles over, Your Honor. The other matters to be dismissed.
Does he have a phone number?
He does. I placed it in the chat.
Very well.
Your Honor, this is Attorney Narsh. I'm not sure if I had the link to get back into.
It's always up there. Go down to the bottom of your screen and see if you can and see if it'll pop up. That breakout room should still be open to you.
Oh.
I'll switch you from one to the other.
All right. Apologize. Thank you.
Need to speak with your client, counselor? Attorney, Rahman Ati?
Yes, Your Honor. Can I speak to him briefly, please?
And you need an interpreter as well, right?
Yes.
Well, I mean, what's gonna be the deal? He's in Mexico.
Well, we were able to work something out. We were able to reduce count 2 and count 1 dismiss.
And what's the reduced to? What's it reduced to?
Allow an unlicensed driver to drive.
Allowing, okay. And the $240 will be the fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Your Honor,
He doesn't know how to get out.
he doesn't know how, and I don't want him to, to disappear.
Oh.
Yeah, well.
I'm not sure.
Can you bring him? Can you bring him?
I tried. He doesn't know how to follow the direction.
May I
Do this.
please on
Why
his
don't you
behalf,
do
Your
this?
Honor?
Why don't you do this? Go into breakout room 5 for Mr. Ati and his client, and then we'll fit.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Segura. Mr. Segura, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to plead to the civil infraction.
Vamos a pasar el otro asunto y volvamos ahora de nuevo en el acta con el caso de la señora Segura. Señora Segura, yo le di a usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta. Abogada, dígame qué van a hacer. ¿Es cierto que ella quiere presentar una declaración así a la infracción civil?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Segura?
¿Y eso es lo que usted quiere hacer, señora Segura?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, state to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Y abogada, ¿puede usted estipular que yo puedo depender de lo que dice la factura, la boleta con las infracciones para establecer una declaración de responsable?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
¿Y puede usted estipular de que hay causa razonable para desestimar el otro asunto?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo de acuerdo, su señoría.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find you responsible, ma'am, as charged to the defective brake light, dismiss the other matter. In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Muy bien, ya que se ha dicho eso, encuentro que puedo aceptar su declaración de responsable tal como fue acusada de tener las luces de frenos defectuosas. En vez de tener que pagar alguna multa, le pido a usted que haga 6 horas de servicio comunitario y esto usted lo va a lograr trabajando juntamente con el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, call Mr. Phillips this afternoon and set the hours up. I'll give you until June the 10th to complete the hours. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Entonces, señor, usted llame esta misma tarde al número que le hemos dado y pida hablar con el señor Phillips para que hagan los arreglos para las horas que usted va a trabajar. Si no tiene algo más que decir, le vamos a dar a usted hasta el 10 de junio para que complete sus horas, sus 6 horas. Le deseamos a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Tanika Lowry. Case number SP 909-156, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 931-5531. Count 2, strike that. SP 931-553, counts 1 and counts 2, and 18-381-0191. Appearance for the record, please.
Kara Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Tanisha Laurie.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Laurie. Today is the date
Good
and
morning.
time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Laurie, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room and you let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes,
Your
Your Honor.
Honor, if I may, could we have a license check, please? I see that Ms. Horn is requesting it.
All right, can we get a license check on Ms. Laurie? Very well, thank you. Let's pass that matter. Ms. Villarreal, we'll need your services.
Yes, sir.
This is the City of Detroit versus Wendy Sara Flores Mina. Case number SP1886022, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Please let Ms. Villarreal interpret.
Necesitamos ahora los servicios de la señora intérprete Villarruel. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Wendy Sarai Flores Mina. Números de caso SP1886022, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Appearing for Ms. Mina Gregory Narsh, P number 47088. And Your Honor, Ms. Horn made a slight change to the offer. You
Y
let
su
me know.
señoría, representando a la señora Mina, está el abogado Gregory Nash, número de abogado P48088.
And what is that offer, sir?
She said blockading and then dismiss the license charge. And that it was a pretrial diversion offer.
Y a ella ya le han hecho una oferta de resolución. ¿Y cuál es esa oferta, señor? Pues la oferta es que se declare responsable a estar bloqueando el tránsito. El otro cargo quedaría desestimado. Y esto se hace al nivel de una consulta previa al juicio.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
¿Y usted quiere aceptar esta oferta de resolución, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Y buenos días, usted. Le pido que usted diga su nombre para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Mi nombre es Wendy Sarai Flores Mena.
Yes, my name is Wendy Sarai Flores Mena.
Okay, Counselor, do you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea?
Y abogado, ¿puede usted estipular que podemos depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para tener un fundamento para la declaración? Sí, lo estipuló.
Yes, I do.
Sí, lo estipuló.
And do you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the misdemeanor?
¿Y puede usted estipular que hay causa razonable para desestimar el otro cargo, el cual es el delito menor?
Yes, I do.
Sí, lo hago.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs. It'll be 6 hours community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Muy bien, ya que usted ha dicho eso, encuentro que acepto la declaración de responsable al cargo modificado de que estaba bloqueando el tráfico. En vez de tener que pagar costos y multas, le pido a ella que cumpla 6 horas de servicio comunitario, que las haga con la ayuda del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
And with that other stipulation, I'll dismiss misdemeanor.
Y con esa otra estipulación voy a desestimar el delito menor.
I need a good phone number from your client, please. You can put it in the chat if your client does not want to have her phone number on YouTube.
Y necesito del abogado un buen número de teléfono para su cliente. Si ella no quiere divulgarlo aquí en público, usted me lo puede mandar privadamente por el chat.
¿Quieres decir tu número o mejor?
Puede enviarlo.
Okay.
Do you want to say your number? You can send it.
Necesito mi lente.
I need my glasses.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
You read it off to me, Your Honor.
Y ya tienen el número de teléfono del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit. Usted me lo leyó a mí, su señoría.
All right, Miss Mina, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon and set the hours up. I'm going to give you until June 10th, 2026 to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we'll close the matter out.
Muy bien, así que señora Mina, le quiero que usted llame a ese número de teléfono que nosotros le dimos a usted esta tarde y pida hablar con el señor Phillips. Yo le voy a permitir a usted hasta el 10 de junio del 2026 para que pueda cumplir sus horas de servicio comunitario. Cuando usted las haya cumplido, su caso queda cerrado.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's the phone number. You two are free to leave.
Si ya me han mandado el número de teléfono, ya se pueden desconectar ustedes dos.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gracias, su señoría.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Laurie. Miss Laurie, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client does
We were waiting
not.
for you. Okay, that's what we were waiting for. We haven't spoken yet.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Mr. Masaria, good morning to you. Are you ready on Galvin? You're muted.
Sorry, Judge. I need a brick arm with the interpreter when possible.
Very well. Okay, we'll wait. We will wait until we get, well, I don't think that we need the interpreter anymore, so let's do this. Join the room, please.
Thank you.
I still do not have that phone number.
Your Honor, I am trying to send it right now, and I hit the send button and nothing's happening. Puedo decir al traductor. I can read. My client says she's okay to read it off to the translator. Or I can give it to you, Your Honor.
Doesn't matter, whichever one is best for you.
313-629-9194.
Okay, we have that. That's all right. Well, you're free to leave. Best of luck to you both. I have a call, Mr. Phillips, this afternoon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Mr. Phillips, I have Whitney Giannetti. Did she, on here as a review, did she ever do anything?
I think they went to probation.
Pardon me?
I think they went to probations.
I don't know what you mean by that. Oh, through somebody else, huh?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Ms. Hernandez, let's go back on the record with Mr. Cardona. Mr. Cardona, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Está bien, señor Cardona, le va a hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado. Señor abogado, que desea ser su representado. Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 miles over for the speeding ticket. The remaining matters to be dismissed. His number is in the
Señoría,
chat.
mi cliente quiere tomar la oferta ofrecida de declararse del cargo enmendado de ir entre 1 y 5 millas por encima del exceso de velocidad y el restante de los cargos queda desestimado. Y ya yo tengo el número de teléfono de él, lo puse en el chat ya para que la corte lo tenga.
All right, you want to take the deal, sir?
Está bien, señor, ¿usted quiere tomar este acuerdo que le han ofrecido?
Sí, perfecto. Sí.
Yes, perfect. I will.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis. Responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Está bien, abogado. Entonces haga las estipulaciones para el fundamento de la emisión de esta boleta de infracción. Estipulación hecha, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Y estipula usted, señor abogado, la causa probable para la desestimación de los otros dos boletas de infracción, sí, su señoría, estipulado.
All right, with those stipulations, I'll find you responsible, Mr. Cardona, for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 and dismiss the other 2 cases.
Está bien, señor, con estas estipulaciones, entonces yo lo voy a encontrar, señor Cardona, responsable de ir entre 1 y 5 millas de velocidad en una zona de acceso limitado. Este es el cargo enmendado y los otros 2 cargos se los voy a quitar.
In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. And call Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the hours up. If the hours are complete by June the 10th, we'll close the matter out. If you don't have any further questions, we wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor Cardona. Entonces, le voy a imponer solamente 6 horas de servicio comunitario. Y las tiene que tener listas para el día 10 de junio. Llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips para cuadrar con él cómo va a ser estas horas. Y ese día, si usted llega con sus horas ya hechas, yo le voy a quitar. Va a desestimar su caso, ¿ok?
Ok, sí. Para presentar las horas de trabajo, ¿cómo haría yo?
Señor, tiene que llamar al señor Phillips esta tarde y él es el que le va a decir cómo, cuándo y dónde y cómo va a hacer eso.
Ok, perfecto.
Al señor Phillips, al número que le dimos.
Ya lo tengo ya.
Okay, I got everything, and so I arranged with him all the hours. Yes, sir. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, ya se puede retirar, señor Cardona. Muchísimas gracias.
Muchísimas gracias. Feliz día. Dios me los bendiga.
Okay, thank you very much. Happy day. God bless you all.
You as well.
Ya se puede conectar, señor Santiago. Your Honor, Mr. Cardona doesn't know, Reyes Mercado doesn't know how to get out, and he doesn't understand our instructions. Can somebody with privilege bring him back, please?
Okay, we'll try. Let's go call the city of Detroit versus Hussein Shahati, case number SP 1889950 and counts 2. Mr. Shahati, Mr. Berry, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Shahati.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
State your name for the record, Mr. Shahati.
Sain Alawi Shahati.
All right, today is the date and time, and it is set for an arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Shahati, I'm gonna put you back in the waiting. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. So you see the prompt, join the room, you let us know what you want to, oh, you'll be in there. He's in there, we'll pass the matter. Mr. Cardone, you're free to leave. You don't have any further questions.
Señor
Mr.
Cardona, si
Cardone,
no tiene minutos, se puede ir, se puede desconectar, señor Cardona, desconéctese,
are we
sálgase.
ready?
Salir, abandonar.
Good morning, ma'am. I do need an interpreter, please. Let's step up. Absolutely.
Your Honor, is this the Jaime Galvan case?
Yes. This is the City of Detroit versus Richard Jaime Galvan, case number SP 172-38761. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Richard Jaime Galvan. Número de caso SP 17238761. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
Frank Masseria, P. 87848, on behalf of Mr. Jaime Galvan.
Habla el abogado Frank Massaria, número de abogado P. 87848, representando al señor Jaime Galvan.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Galvan. State your name for the record, please.
Buenos días, usted, señor Galvan. ¿Nos puede decir su nombre para que conste en el acta, por favor?
Richard Jaime.
Richard Jaime
Galvan.
Galvan. Galvan.
Good morning to you, sir. For purposes of arraignment.
Buenos días a usted, señor. Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, ¿qué nos dice, abogado?
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Dismissal.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable y él va a guardar silencio. Y pregunto, ¿este caso va a quedar desestimado?
Yes, Judge, the city has indicated a dismissal.
Sí, su señoría, la ciudad me ha indicado a mí que van a desestimar el cargo.
All right, case is going to be dismissed. To Galvan, if there's nothing further, you and your mom have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you both. Thank you.
Muy bien, así que el caso, señor Galvan, queda desestimado. Si no tiene algo adicional, le deseo a usted y a su madre muy buen día y buena suerte.
Right. Get your paperwork if you need it.
Yeah, you guys grab a seat in the hall.
Venga a buscar sus documentos si los necesitan.
El papel que le había entregado.
Go in the hallway and I'll bring it.
En el pasillo se lo traen.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Elroy Reyes Mercado, case number SP 1864427, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Allow Ms. Hernandez to interpret.
Buenos días, volvemos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Eloy Reyes Mercado, número de caso SP 186-4427-1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta y permita que la intérprete Hernández lo interprete.
Honor Raymond Ati, on behalf of Mr. Eloy Mercado, also joining us by Zoom.
Mi nombre es Raymond Ati, representando al señor Mercado, quien nos está con nosotros vía Zoom.
Mr. Reyes, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Señor Reyes, buenos días. ¿Podría usted, por favor, decir su nombre completo para que conste en el acta?
Eloy Reyes Mercado.
Eloy Reyes Mercado.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Your client wants to take an allowing, counselor?
Está bien, hoy es el día y la hora establecido para una consulta previa al juicio. Señor abogado, su cliente quiere tomar la oferta.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Mercado?
Señor Mercado, ¿usted quiere tomar esta oferta que le han ofrecido?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand, please.
Señor Mercado, por favor, levante su mano derecha.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad.
Lo juro.
I swear.
All right, you can put your hand.
Puede bajar su mano, señor.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 90 días en la cárcel y $500 de multa?
Sí, no entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y señor, ¿usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes.
Your attorney went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y mientras que hablaba con su abogado en la sala de consulta privada, su abogado le explicó cuáles eran sus derechos. ¿No es así?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y usted tiene alguna pregunta sobre esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo de resolución que le están ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
No lo oí.
¿Ah? I'm sorry.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo, usted está renunciando a esos derechos, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado aquí, que consta en el acta, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to February 20th, 2026 at around 5:08 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and John Kronk Street. Did you have an occasion to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme ayudarle su atención al día y al lugar de los hechos, que fue el día 20 de febrero del 2026, alrededor de las 5:08 de la noche, de PM, en la tarde, en las inmediaciones de la avenida Livernois y la calle John en Detroit. Ese día, esa hora, en ese lugar, ¿lo paró usted un oficial de policía?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y estaba manejando usted un vehículo, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Y el oficial le pidió que le enseñara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Pero usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿verdad, señor?
No. No se la pude mostrar.
No. No, I
And why
couldn't
is that?
show him. ¿Por qué no se la pudo mostrar, señor?
Porque no tengo licencia.
Because I don't have one.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing with stipulation the probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
Está bien, señor abogado, yo voy a encontrar a su abogado, a su representado, culpable del cargo enmendado de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara. Y bajo la estipulación de la causa probable, voy a desestimar los otros tickets, las otras boletas de infracción.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
I get that stipulation, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
La estipulación referidas, abogado, sí, su señoría.
Okay, sir, I think you've paid enough, sir. I'm not gonna fine you. We're gonna close the matter out, okay?
Señor, yo pienso que usted ya ha pagado lo suficiente. Entonces yo no le voy a imponer ninguna multa en el día de hoy. Ya con esto queda su caso cerrado.
Oh, muchísimas gracias.
Oh, thank you very, very much.
If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Señor, yo le doy entonces las gracias, muchísimas gracias y le deseo la mejor de las suertes.
Igualmente, que Dios los acompañe.
Thank you. Same to you. God be with you.
You as well.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Igualmente para usted, señor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Have a good day.
You as well. Both of you have a very good day.
Gracias.
Free to leave,
Gracias.
Mr. Ricardo. All right, this is the city of Detroit. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Shahati. Mr. Shahati, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client will, I have to go to his alphabet judge. He cannot do community service.
All right. Well, I won't say he cannot do community service. He does not want to do community service, probably. Are these dates good, Miss Mathis?
¿Cuál sería?
I just wanted to make sure. Was that an updated sheet you gave me?
I think so.
All right, Mr. Shahadi, I'm gonna send you to your alphabet judge. Your next court date will be May 27th, 2026 at 8:35 in front of Judge Archer. Her Zoom ID is gonna be 360-333-0000.
And can they send it to my home address, the address and the court date?
Pardon me?
Can they send like the court day, to my address? What day is gonna be?
May 27th at 8:35, Judge Archer, okay? If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You got to change the date on it. Remind me out there.
I don't, it's gone now.
It's not.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Monica Martin Chavez, case number SP 1889870, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Martin Chavez.
Se llama el caso de la señora de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Mónica Martín Chávez, número de caso SP 188-98-701, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Mi nombre es Ed Woodbury Jr., representando a la señora acusada. Señora Martín Chávez, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Mónica Yesenia Martín Chávez.
Mónica Yesenia Martín Chávez. Martín Chávez.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
Oh, we'll enter a not guilty. Good morning to you, ma'am. We'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señora, entonces voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. El señor Berry va a tratar de conseguir una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, usted tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada para hablar con su abogado.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Yo la voy a mandar a la sala de consulta privada y por favor, cuando una vez que salga de allí, nos deja saber qué quiere hacer.
She's in there, Miss Hernandez. We'll pass the matter. Now let's go back on the record with Miss Laurie. Miss Laurie, these cases dismissed, Miss Harris, for age of the ticket. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Miss Laurie, I'm dismissing your cases for age of the ticket. You're still going to owe $45 reinstatement fees times 5, and you owe $228 on an expired plate and $162 on a no registration ticket. Okay, ma'am?
Okay,
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Amir Mohammed Musad. Case number SP 188-9956, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Musad, please state your name for the record.
Yeah, my name is Amir Assad.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You have to turn your camera on, sir. All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Musad. Day is date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment. I mean, just arraignment. Purpose of arraignment, counselor?
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Or not guilty plea in the client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Musad, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. This is gonna be the state of Michigan versus Malika Gaines. Michaela Gaines, give me the correct pronunciation. I'm sorry.
You said it, Michaela Gaines is correct, Judge.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Michaela Gaines. Strike that. State of Michigan versus Michaela Gaines. Case number SX 370-96943. Good morning to you, Ms. Gaines. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Michaela Gaines.
All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond for purposes of arraignment. I'm going to recall the warrant on the matter. And at this time, I'm going to dismiss your case. You have a valid license, ma'am. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You're going to owe a $45 reinstatement fee. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Gaines, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you so much, Judge. You have a good day as well.
Thank you. I don't believe your client ready, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor. Just
All
gotta
right.
come out of the breakout room.
In or out, as long as Miss let's go back on the record with Ms. Martin Chavez. Ms. Martin Chavez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 miles over for the speeding ticket. The remaining matters to be dismissed. Her number is in the chat.
Llamamos nuevamente al caso la señora Mónica Yesenia Martín Chávez, que le di la oportunidad, señora, de que hablara en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado. ¿Qué desea hacer la señora Martín Chávez, señor abogado? Su señoría, mi cliente, quiere tomar la oferta ofrecida por la fiscalía de ir a entre 1 y 5 millas de exceso de velocidad en una zona de acceso limitado, y siendo ese la boleta enmendada. Y los otros 2 cargos quedan desestimados.
Ms. Martin Chavez.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Ms. Martin Chavez, do you want to take this deal?
Señora Martín Chávez, ¿usted quiere tomar esta oferta que le están ofreciendo?
Sí.
Yes.
Sí quiero tomarlo.
Yes, I want to take it.
So stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf, counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Entonces, abogado, usted hace las estipulaciones de las bases de datos de los hechos para la desestimación, para la emisión de esta boleta de tránsito. Sí, estipulación hecha, su señoría.
Stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Y estipula usted la causa probable para la desestimación del resto de los cargos. Sí, su señoría.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulación hecha, su señoría.
All right, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service, Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Está bien, entonces yo voy a encontrar a su representada responsable del cargo enmendado de ir entre 1 y 5 millas por encima del máximo permitido en una zona de acceso limitado, y le voy a poner 6 horas de servicio comunitario.
Ms. Chavez, do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Señora Chávez, ¿usted tiene el número para llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitaria esta tarde y establecer cómo va a ser esas horas de servicio comunitario?
No tengo el número, pero me la pueden dar.
No, I don't have it, but can you give it to me, please?
313-879-2155.
El número es, señora Chávez, 313.
A ver, dígame.
313.
Ok.
879.
879.
2155.
2155.
2155.
Yes.
Sí, señora.
2155.
Give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. I'll give you until June 10th to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we'll close the matter out, okay?
Señora, llame esta misma tarde allí para hablar con el señor Phillips y yo le voy a dar hasta el día 10 de junio para que complete esas horas, pero tiene que llamar esta tarde al señor Phillips.
Ok.
All right, if you don't have any further questions, ma'am, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Está bien, señora. Si no tiene ninguna otra pregunta, que tenga excelente día y la mejor de las, le deseo la mejor de las suertes para usted.
Probably could have glued it back together.
Ok, gracias, igual.
Okay, thank you. Same for you.
All right, have a great day.
Está bien, señora, que tenga excelente día.
Ok, gracias, igual.
Okay, thank you.
And this is the city of Detroit versus Muhammad Ali, case number SP 185-7685, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 187-89781. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Ali.
Hi, I'm Muhammad Ali.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty. Good morning to you, sir. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Ali, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Turn your camera on, sir.
Oh, sorry.
You gotta turn the camera on when they get on the record. I need to see who Mr. Ali is. Where's Mr. Ali?
Here.
Okay, very good. All right, join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Musad. Mr. Musad, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 over with the misdemeanor matter dismissed.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Musad?
Yes, sir.
All right, stipulate. I told you to turn your camera on, sir.
My bad.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client with that stipulation responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Mr. Ali, Mr. Musad, do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
I have the phone number for Mr. Phillips, just not the address.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. If the hours are complete by June the 10th, we will close the matter out. If you don't have anything further, Mr. Musad, you have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Let me just verify if the phone number is correct for Mr. Phillips.
License, go ahead, 313-879-2155.
Yep, that's correct.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Autumn Sayer, case number SP188777051, SP188764992. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Autumn Sire.
For purposes of
morning.
arraignment, my client stands mute.
And good morning to you, ma'am. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Sayer, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And Ms. Harris, the license is valid.
Thank you.
All right, join the room, Ms. Sayer. When you see the prompt, you let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter.
Oh, okay. Okay, you can get it. Just give it like so, because he's still.
Okay, no problem.
So the Nika phone is fine.
Who is the Nika?
Head of security.
This week. Oh, just waiting for her to respond, that's all. She's gonna run that license for me, Miss. You know, there's the back one that has the information. She's just gonna give you probably a whole new one. Yeah, think about it, I could have just glued it. She might even have one in there. It's just about her finding out, so just waiting for her to respond. No, you can get a new one, Joe, it's no big deal. Just go to the on the program.
You want me to run?
Now that license, please, Judge. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Sayer. Ms. Sayer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
She was able to present valid documentation.
Ms. Sayer, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If there's something further, have a very good day, ma'am. Best of.
Thank you so much. I'm able to leave?
You're able to leave, yes. This is the
Okay, thank
city
you.
of
Just want to
Detroit.
clarify.
Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Anthony Mendez, case number SB 1868713, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance record, please.
I'm here.
On behalf of Mr. Mendez.
Interpreter, Your Honor.
Do you need an interpreter, Mr. Mendez?
No.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you too.
On behalf of Mr. Mendez, please state your name.
I'm Michael Anthony Mendez Jr.
And for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. There is a failure to stop at a stop sign allegation as well. Mr. Mendez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Mendez license?
Yes, it's attached to it.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Muhammad Ali. Mr. Muhammad Ali, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 for the speeding ticket. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yeah.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, with that stipulation, Mr. Ali, I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service with Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. As soon as you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, Mr. Ali?
Yeah, he already provided it for me.
And I need a good phone number from you.
Do you want me to I can say it if you want. You want me to say it?
It doesn't matter it's up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with.
313-920-4400.
All right, I'm gonna have you call Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the hours up. I'll give you until June the 10th to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Mr. Berry, this is the City of Detroit versus Jesus Ramirez, case number SP 1873603, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr.
But let me ask, do you need an interpreter, Mr. Ramirez? Good morning to you.
Señor Ramírez, ¿usted necesita intérprete? Abra su micrófono, por favor.
No, I don't.
Start your video, sir.
I can't. I was gonna ask. I was raising my hand to ask if I could leave and then try to log back in because it's telling me that I need to get off whatever app I'm using. The camera isn't working. I was just wondering if I can leave and log back in.
And the camera will work, man?
There.
Oh, there it goes. All right.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Mr. Berry, put your appearance on the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Ramirez.
Jesus Ramirez.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Ramirez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you.
There's a second matter off docket, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, that is an off docket matter of, wait a minute. A failure to yield right away. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. And what's about the license? And the license is valid, Mr. Berry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Well, Ms. Villaroo and Ms. Hernandez, we have just one more case left, and I don't believe Ms. Kayana Lott, are you there? Kayana Lott?
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am. You need to come into the light. Hey, you don't need an interpreter, do you, ma'am?
No.
All right, very well. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, Miss Hernandez and Mr. Laru, if you don't have anything further, you're more than welcome to stay anytime, as long as you want. I know you probably want to go, and if something else comes up, I can give you a call.
Thank you, Your Honor. We appreciate that. Have a great
Thank you.
afternoon.
Thank you, Honor. Bye-bye, everybody. Thanks. Ciao.
He said it's some lemonade. Sounds like some lemonade. It is.
How does it sound like lemonade? But
You know.
lemonade just has that special sound when you shake it up and
That
it
do sound like lemonade.
over water and all that.
It do sound like lemonade.
And I love some. I don't know what
Okay,
that
hold on.
means.
Let's
Miss
test it again. It do though.
I don't know what that means.
You don't want to believe it. That's all.
I
used to live in it. Do sound like you might be right, man, dude.
This is what I hear this stuff all day, Mr. Phillips. This sound like lemonade.
It do though. It
And
do
he
though.
was right.
If you think about it, let me do it again. Right, man, dude.
I didn't know it made a special sound though.
You couldn't hear it, right? Can you tell the difference in a closed container with ice, some liquid? What type of liquid is in there when it's shaking up, Mr. Phillips? Whether it's Kool-Aid, milk.
Only lemonade.
Sound like chocolate milk.
Dang, man, you good.
You might be able to tell some Don Julio shaking up. And that's my favorite drink too, lemonade.
You make it fresh at the house too?
I can.
Yeah.
I haven't had it like that yet.
I can.
Oh, with the first one?
Yeah, with the now they got some new thing. It's called see, I can't remember the name of it. Everybody buying it because now you can put it in there and it cleans itself out and push all the pulp and stuff and make the juice for you.
The pulp is good too though.
Yeah, I think so too.
That's probably expensive.
I thought it was too, but it was like $40.
This should be like what, 300?
It's not.
No,
it's
what you talking about?
More. No, they cheap now.
Miss Mathis getting the all-clad juice. Viking.
They was
She got
expensive
top,
when they first came out.
top of the line.
Are they not?
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ramirez. Mr. Ramirez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client does not want to do community service.
All right, Mr. Ramirez, I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge, okay?
What's an alphabet, Judge?
That would be Judge Herman Griffin. You're only here because you got your ticket in the 4th precinct. My regular cases, the last names start with G and L. Your last name starts with an R. I'm sure you know that. And
Yes,
you
sir.
came here because this is community court, and I get all the tickets that come out of the 1st precinct, 4th precinct. So you must have gotten your ticket from a police officer in the 4th precinct. That's why they sent you to me. I'm going to send you to your alphabet, Judge, because you do not want to do community service. And all the tickets here are going to be pled to or taking deals with community service in mind. All right.
All right.
All right. Your next court date is going to be May the 19th, 2026 at 8:30 in front of Judge Griffin. He's your alphabet judge.
Okay.
Judge, and his Zoom ID is 360.
Hold on, let me get something to write that down with.
All right.
And you said what's the Zoom ID?
360-334-0000. If it's nothing further, sir, Judge Griffin, on May 19th, if it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right, this is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Kayana Lott. Oh my goodness. Did you do a case number? It's no, I don't think we have any, anything to litigate here, Mr. Berry. I think she took a plea on everything. Case numbers, the state of Michigan versus Kayana Lott. Case number SP 14752823, SP 163-30742, SP 170-63412, SP SX 42-32209, counts 1, 2, and 3, SX 429-37502, SX 432-4711, counts 1 and counts 2, SX 453-10961, SP 8893842. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lott.
Hey, on the line.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. The purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. There are 2 new tickets that SP 1889384, counts 1 and counts 2 are new allegations, Mr. Berry. That would be driving while license suspended in an unsafe manner. Ms. Lott, did you do any community service?
The number that I have got, they have
Ms. Lott, no. You did no community service. Now, what is your excuse?
The number that I have for them, they haven't picked up. I left voicemails, but I haven't got in contact with no one with the number I have.
And what number do you have?
313-978-2155.
No, 879.
Oh. Wait, can you say it again?
Right.
What's the number?
313-879-2155. Why did you miss your court date?
I didn't. I came and you had told me that everything was for the 6th. I came on the 4th.
4/1/2026.
Huh?
April the 1st, 2026 was your court date you were supposed to show up on. And you didn't show
You told me all of them was for the 6th and said I wasn't supposed to be there.
on April the 1st, I told you that?
Yes, I came and you said I wasn't supposed to be at court. It was for the for May 6th. And I had showed you the thing. I got one of the cards in the mail and said I was supposed to be here for the 1st. And you said come back for the 6th.
Why didn't you mention anything about the telephone number at that time and not doing any community
I
service?
wasn't able to speak. Soon as I talked, you said I wasn't supposed to be here. And when I went to tell you I had court, you said come back on the 6th.
All right, Mr. Berry, give Ms. Lott an updated offer on the unsafe manner and the driving while license suspended. Ms. Lott, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you that updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
What's up?
Oh, yeah, what's up? You all right? How's it going?
All is well.
Good to see you, man. Good to see you. How your brother?
Much love. Oh, they all is well, man.
Oh, you got me a new one?
Yeah.
It's already programmed and everything? I know, it's all good.
I got you.
All right, good looking.
So you can throw that other one over.
Here, it just came in per.
Throw it away.
I throw it away. It's no good. Okay. Bet. I'm good.
I got you,
Y'all
bro.
100%.
Just call me, man, if they happen again.
I got you.
All right.
Thank you.
I got you.
All right. Be safe.
All right.
Officer Penn got my thing already.
Oh, he did? Okay. Quick.
Awesome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Mendez. Mr. Mendez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to take the deal to blocking traffic.
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Mendez?
Yes.
We stipulate to the face of the, so stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find you responsible, Mr. Mendez, for the amended count of blocking traffic. In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service with Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Do you have that number?
Yes.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. When the hours are complete, we'll close the matter out. I'll give you till June 10th to complete the hours. If it's nothing further, Mr. Mendez, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
You too.
Thank you.
847.
You well?
I think I'm not good.
Yeah. You're so funny.
Oh.
Laughing.
We
should get some other listeners in text.
Cousin in Tennessee just texted me that oldest cousin matriarch just passed.
How old was it?
She was a famous caterer in Gallatin,
Gallatin,
Tennessee.
Where is that?
Like right outside of Nashville.
Oh, yeah. So you said she was a famous caterer.
Let's do the.
Yeah, family in Nashville.
That's his mom. Is that his mom? Is that his mom?
Her grandmother. My cousin, this her grand. My cousin lives in Tennessee. She's texting because she know I'm at work. She's saying she said she just passed away. So.
Well, condolences go out. I'm sorry to hear that.
Hey Judge, just to the court, I'm gonna go help out in Griffin because this prosecutor is out. But I think Mr. Berry and I just wrapped up the last one, Miss Lotz.
Yes, thank you so much. We'll see you soon.
Okay, see you soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Have a storm.
We don't have no 1:30 today.
Oh yeah, it's Wednesday.
All right, you out of here? See you tomorrow morning. All right, shoot.
We don't have 1:30.
I'm sorry about your aunt.
It's
You gonna go down there?
right, so I might have to see what's going on because if I go, it'll be like the last day because I don't got a whole bunch of days. So I'm gonna just see what she say. If I can go, I will. If not,
Just have to do the best I can from here.
What is that, 7 hours
10.
to Nashville? I mean, maybe to that.
No, it's not no 10.
I thought it was like.
Y'all was riding slow. No.
He said, "Oh, you stopped."
Yeah, that ain't 10
I
hours.
think the last time I did it, it was like 7.
Yeah, I think you're right.
I'm sorry.
So you think I'm,
Yeah.
No.
it's like 7?
Eight, 8.5, 8 hours.
Okay. Maybe we was moving kind of fast.
He probably were, but he was moving slow if he did it at 10, real slow.
I actually in the back.
Hey, don't know what she's gonna do. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lott. Miss Lott, you can't keep getting tickets, ma'am. All right, what does your client want to do, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter pleas to the those first 3 improper plates charges as charged, as well as.
No, Mr. Berry, all of that stuff I thought that was taken care of under, well, let me see. I thought that stuff was all taken care of under the plea deal of last time. I thought we were, let me see.
Yeah.
Well, yes, it's Southwest Justice Junior. Yeah, I pretty much did everything. Marcia working on her portion. Okay. Well, thank you. I'll talk to you soon.
Yeah, we're only dealing with the 2 charges, driving while license suspended in unsafe manner. All the other stuff is sitting out there because she did the community service.
Yes, Your Honor. In that regard, the plea as to the unsafe manner is limited access 1 to 5, that no license matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be additional 6 hours of community service for a total of 206 hours of community service. All right. I can't keep accepting any excuses from you. You should have known to give us a call and get back in here before your court date when you were having issues with getting in touch with Mr. Phillips. Do you have the number now, ma'am?
Yes.
What is that number?
313-879-2155.
All right. I'm going to give you, I'm going to have you back next month on June the 10th. I don't expect you to have all the hours done by then, but I do expect you to have some done, and we'll see how you progress. And 206 hours. I need, is your number still the same?
Yes.
And that's the 248 with the last digits of 6812?
Yes.
All right, come back next week. Give Mr. Phillips a call when you hang up now, and let's get those hours going, and let's get this stuff put behind us, man.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
There's nothing further. I wish you the best of luck. Come back on June the 10th. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay. You too.
Best of luck to you. All right, that'll conclude the morning.